So when you've got one of the paid for plans, you'll see this icon appear in your menu, the Hootsuite Inbox. And here you can view all the messages from all the social media channels and networks that you've linked. So it's really a useful way of seeing that somebody's messaged you on Twitter, somebody's messaged you on Facebook, somebody said something on Instagram, and it's all in one place. And we find this really useful because we also get quite a lot of people asking support questions and questions about the platform. And you can reply as your organisation. So you can see here it's saying reply to, and obviously we've blanked out the names, but as the good exchange. So if we type in a reply here, the answer will go to that person through the social channel that they've asked the question. So for example, if they've asked the question through Facebook, then they will get a reply from us through Facebook. The other thing is that we can see in this stream here all the questions and all the answers that we've given. So anyone in the team can see instantly through one place all the questions we've had and all the answers that we've given, so we're not duplicating our effort. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can assign a message to someone in your team. So if you click on the plus box on the right-hand side, I can assign it to someone or assign it to myself. So that means instead of waiting for someone to answer it, I can give it to someone else and say, oh, can you answer this, please? So in your inbox, we can also see messages that are unassigned, assigned, ones that have been assigned to me. When you've finished answering one, you can resolve the message and then it will appear in your done box on the left-hand side. So it's a really good way of tracking all your inbound messages through social media in one place and also handling them and making that they all get resolved. And as I said, increasingly people are using social media not just to ask questions but to complain. So having something like the Hootsuite Inbox is a really good way of tracking whether anyone's complaining and be able to jump on that before it escalates.